Yeah, hi everyone, Mr. Markwick here again. Today, really quick video just on categorizing data. So first of all, I'm going to talk about categorical or numerical data and what is it. So the way I like to think of it is this. So if I'm collecting data or doing a survey and I get a word response, it's considered categorical data. So the question might be, what make of car do you have at home? Ford, Holden, etc. That's categorical data. If you're collecting data and you get a number response, it's numerical. So the question might be, how many cars do you have at home? How many cars does your family have? So you're getting a number response, that's numerical data. Okay, so that's the difference between categorical and numerical. Now, categorical can be split up into two further categories, nominal and ordinal. So nominal basically means that there is no order. So, for example, it might be, what color car do you have at home? And there's no, connection or order between those responses. So it's nominal, categorical data. Ordinal data, there is an order or some relationship in terms of order between those responses. Okay, so the example here is low, medium, or high. But there's other sorts of examples, and you'll be able to work through those questions today. The numerical data can be split up into either discrete or continuous data. Now, this can be a little bit more confusing. The way I sort of try and think of it is, continuous is generally something that's measured. Okay, keep that in mind. When we look at discrete data can only take a limited number of values. For example, the number of children in your family, or the number of cars you have at home, or the number of TVs you have, or what year level you're in at school. Whereas continuous data can take any value in a given range. So, for example, it might go into the decimal. So, if you're talking about time, or if you're talking about length for height, you're measuring someone's height, or your age, for example, because your age, it could be 15 years and so many months and so many days. So, if it's something that could be, or take any value within a given range, then we consider that to be continuous. And I try and think of it, if it's measured, generally it's continuous. So that's the main difference between discrete and continuous. It's pretty, easy to make an assessment between nominal and ordinal, but sometimes discrete and continuous can be a little bit trickier. But a few tips there to help you with the question set. And again, I'm expecting that you're answering all these questions today in your maths book, guys. Thanks for watching.